Dear students, we are doing chapter 6, which is unitary method. We have completed its exercise number 1. This is exercise number 1, 6a. We have completed it, and in this exercise we have used unitary method. Now we are starting exercise 6.2. This one is 6b, exercise 6b. Before starting exercise b, I want to tell you that which concepts will be used in this exercise. The first concept is ratio. What is the ratio? A ratio is a relationship between two or more values. Ratios are used in different ways in our daily life. For example, in cooking, we use ingredients in different ratios. If half cup of sugar is needed for 4 cups of water, then 1 cup of sugar will be needed in 8 cups of water. Both the quantities have been doubled. The 1 cup of sugar is double of half cup of sugar, and 8 cup of water is double of 4 cup of water. This is the ratio. A ratio compares the values. It tells how much of one thing as compared to another thing. Ratio can be represented in different ways. Suppose we have to show ratio of 1 cup to 8 cups, we can use the following way. There are 3 methods to represent a ratio. 1:8, this colon in English, its name is colon, but in mathematics it is a symbol of ratio. 1:8, this is the statement form. We can express a ratio like 1:8. This is statement form, and as fraction we will write it 1/8. 1:8 or 1:8 can be written as 1:2 ratio 8:2 equals to ratio 16. Okay, or in other words, double of 1 cup and double of 8 cups. It will be equals to 2 ratio 16. If 1:8, it means 2:16. It can be written as A in journal form. Now I will tell you the journal form. A is to B equals C is to D. It can be written in fraction form. A upon B equals C upon D. That is, if A upon B equals C upon D, then A, B, C, D are proportions. This A, B, C, D are the proportions. For example, if 1:4 equals 8:32, then 1, 4, 8 and 32 are proportion. This was the journal form, and now this is specific with the numbers. We have given you the example so that you can understand that if 1:4, if 1:4, then it is equals to 8:32, and all these numbers 1, 4, 8, 32 are proportions. When two ratios are equal, their cross products are also equal. Now what is the cross product? Cross product is this, like this is the cross product. A, D and B, C. This A, D equals B, C. When two ratios are equal, their cross products are equal. This is journal representation, and for example specifically I will show you with the numbers. If A is 14 and D is 5, B is 12 and C is 15. Now 4:5 in fraction form will be written as 4/5, and 12:15 will be written as 12/15. Now their cross product will be equal. Cross product like this. It means 4 into 15 gives us 60, and 12 into 5, this is cross product 60. If the ratios are equal, their cross product is equal. Now whatever we have done in this page, it is summarized here. Ratio compares two quantities. We learned that from this page 118 that it is a comparison of two quantities. For example, the comparison of sugar with water. Half cup of sugar for 4 cups of water. It is a comparison of two quantities. It has no unit. For example, how it is not unit? um, for example, if one quantity is kg, if I say that 1 kg of sugar with, for example, 1 kg of sugar with 8 kgs of water, kg is a unit, and according to the rule, a numerator can be cancelled by a denominator, and now it has no unit because the units are cancelled out. That's why a ratio has no unit, because it's a relationship between two values. Ratios can be written as fraction or using symbol. We have learned it in the previous page. Ratio must be written in lowest term. To find the ratio of two quantities, convert them to the same unit. For example, if one unit is in kilometers and other is in meters, we have to convert both the units into same unit. Both must be in kilometers or both must be in meters. To find the ratio of two quantity, we have to convert them into same units. So this was the introduction of the concept of ratio, which will be used in exercise 6.2.